Right now, welcome to this video series that talks about or give you a guide on how to make a deposit. Now that you have, interviewed a freelancer, through chat or Google Meet, and you've seen that yes, this freelancer can do the job, it is now time for you now to fund the freelancer so that the freelancer can start, working on the project. And there are two ways of you doing that. First, the first thing you have to do is to go to your wallet page by clicking on this. And when you get to your wallet page, you want to click in make deposit button. Just a wait for it to load. Let me refresh that. So you click on this make a deposit, then it's going to take you to Bizimi checkout page. That's where you can enter, your info like your first name, last name, your valid email, and then the amount that is agreed upon. All right. So you make sure that you enter the correct email because they are going to send you a reference ID. It is through this reference ID that you can use to fund a job. Okay. So now, if you're looking at that, we have this table, job titles, amount, reference ID, status, reasons, job titles, funded days. I'm going to explain all of these things, okay, after making your payment. Now, when you go to Bizimi, payout, gateway or payment gateway rather, by clicking on this button, right, make a deposit by entering the amount. They are going to, the email that you enter, they're going to give you a reference ID. Okay. Now, it is that reference ID that you can use to fund the job, which I'm going to show you very soon. And once you fund the job, freelancers on the other side, on their funded job page, they are going to verify your payment because there's going to be a verification button that they can click by verifying that, okay, yes, this transaction really occur or the transaction does not occur. Okay, so once they click on that, it's going to show what verified here. The status is going to show verified. If it does not verify, it's going to show face, and there's going to give you reasons why it is not being verified. Now, once they verified it, there's going to have another button called BIZ, okay, and they can click on that. Once they click on that, there's going to be a button here called Job Done. Now, it is the Job Done button on clicking it by you as an agency that will enable freelancer to, receive a payout. Now, you're not allowed to click on this job done button until you see that freelancer has done the job for you. You have the job already. All the two parties between you and the freelancer, everybody are good, everybody are certified. It is not time for you now to click on the job done. But if the freelancer has not, delivered the job, you can, submit your query for to the platform rather, and they can refund your money back to you because whenever you make a payment initially before the payout, your payment is being sent to the platform is holding it for you. Platform is like a middleman here. It is holding the money for you in case if anything goes wrong, so that it doesn't just have to like go straight to the freelancer because sometimes freelancer might not do the job and they have the money. So we make sure that everybody, we as a platform, though the platform is making sure that nothing nobody is going to go against anybody. Your money is going to be saved. The hard work of other person is also going to go so to be secure as well. So you, like I said, you click on once the job button is available, you don't click on it until the job is done. Okay, until you see that freelancer has done the job for you, you have it already. It is now time for them to receive the pair. Now you can click on that. Okay. Now, since you once you found your job, the Paystack is going to email you a reference ID. So you check your email, you copy the reference IDs, and once you copy the reference IDs, there are two ways to fund a job. You go to your dashboard, and go to your dashboard. When you get to your dashboard, you click on the view proposal model. Okay, so wait for it to load. So once that you click on this view proposal, Now it's now time for you to click on this fund job button. Click on that, and of course it's going to carry out the freelancer's name. Of course, this suggested amount. This is your maximum amount that you use initially, but you want to enter the amount that you paid on the paystack, Bizimi paystack gateway. You enter the amount, then the reference ID they email you. You enter it, and then click on fund job. It's going to what? Is going to what indicates on the freelancer. Or you can go to manage post. If you don't want to go through that, you can go to manage post, then locate the job. All right, once you locate the job here, then you click on the same button, fund job. uh, Not this one here, is this one. Yeah, is this one. So you click on this button, it's the same thing, and you can fund the job the agency is going to see. So this is how you can, make a deposit and